Marilaki Camp. They have a lot of amenities. Pwede kayong mag-airsoft, maligo sa river, mag-badminton, and mag-ATV. Ang malupet, meron silang charging station. Para sa power banks na dala nyo, we have a Starlink, so heavy kami sa pag-charge.
For now, let's enjoy the view.
Sobrang ganda ng scenery, parang painting yung mountains and the whole place felt so peaceful. Pagdating ng gabi, nag-set up na kami ng campfire, dun kami nagkwentuhan, tumawa at nag-relax. It was one of those moments na simple lang, pero ramdam mo yung peace na matagal mo nang hinahanap.
And finally, kailangan na naming magpaalam sa Camp Marilake at mag-hello sa next adventure namin.
We'll see you on part 2 of this video!